Essential oils are versatile plant extracts used for a variety of purposes, but do essential oils help with cough, cold, and congestion relief? The answer is, yes, they do. These oils have been used in aromatherapy since ancient times. Now, medical doctors also recommend them for many health conditions including cough. If you are wondering about what essential oils are good for cough, then stay tuned. Some oils are more effective than the others, and you can even use them alone or make a blend before use. Here are the 3 best essential oils for cough, cold, and congestion backed by scientific research. You can use a diffuser, vaporizer, or a humidifier to dispense these oils as a mist. 1. Eucalyptus Essential Oil. People around the world have used eucalyptus oil for bronchitis, sinusitis, and other respiratory conditions including cough and cold for centuries. A study found that one of its compounds called eucalyptol can fight bacteria. Add 10 drops of eucalyptus oil in a pot of 500 milliliters boiling water. Inhale the steam to release the mucus. You can also apply it on your chest and forehead after mixing a few drops with a carrier oil such as coconut oil. Many people use Vicks Vapo Rub, a popular ointment containing eucalyptus oil, to rub on the chest of children and adults to get relief from cough and congestion. 2. Peppermint Essential Oil. Peppermint containing menthol creates a cooling and soothing sensation in the throat. A study found that peppermint essential oil can help relax the bronchial muscles, providing cough relief. That's why many natural care products for respiratory conditions contain peppermint extract. Like other essential oils, you can use it in a diffuser or humidifier. You can also add 5 to 6 drops of peppermint essential oil in a pot of boiling water to inhale its vapors. 3. Nutmeg Essential Oil. Your symptoms may improve with the help of nutmeg essential oil for cough. A study indicates that nutmeg oil acts as an expectorant. It reduces production of mucus in the respiratory tract in rabbits. Camphene, an antioxidant in nutmeg, handles the benefit. Use a diffuser, vaporizer, or a humidifier to inhale. Bottom line is, essential oils can help with cough, colds, and congestions. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.